Good day, viewers. Walter here. Thought I'd do just a little bit of a vlog today. I haven't made one in a while. No projects or anything today. Walter's running his mouth. A couple of things right off the bat. I came out here to clean the grill because we got to cook some steaks tonight. We've had an influx of Japanese beetles. They seem to be a lot worse around here than they are at my garden. I don't know if the dog kennels I got growing around there helps keep them away, or I just haven't looked in the last day or two. I hope they're not eating up my squash. Day before yesterday, I got out here and despite the pain in my back, which everybody knows that's why I haven't been doing too many videos, I managed to get the front yard cut with a lawnmower. It was just out of control. Took me a little longer, and I sat with a pillow behind my back. But I managed to get it done, and I'm on my third day in a row without any pain pills. Now that don't mean that I'm not hurting. I am. But it's definitely an improvement that I can go without the pain pill. By 8 or 9 o'clock at night, I have to go lay down because I'm pretty sore. Sunflowers are looking good. The zinnias are blooming like crazy. We had our first meal out of my garden with some squash. Green tomatoes are coming along slow, but they're getting there. And basically, I have been doing very little of anything except trying to get the feeling better with my back. Now, there's a hummingbird. We haven't had many of those this year. He sure is eating out of the feeder. My wife bought a fancy little glass hummingbird feeder. I guess you can see it. If I had my Sony Handycam out here, we could zoom in on him. He's going. Trying to think what else I need to talk about. I need to go fix a hole in my fence because the neighbors' goats keep coming over here. Oh yeah, that's gonna have to have some thorough cleaning. Let's get busy. That is a considerable improvement. Alright, I need to get a Windex or cleaner or something to clean these shelves off. Now this is just Windex. The stove is really not that greasy or dirty. It's covered with a lot of dust and pollen. So we're going to clean that off. Don't like to cook on a dirty stove. We're going to have some ribeye steak. The wife is making some baked potatoes in the toaster oven. We've been having pure pleasure staying cool here lately with our new air conditioner system. Put it off way too long. I should have got it done a long time ago. I think we're burning a lot less electricity. Not completely clean, but it's clean enough that I can cook on it. That's good enough to cook some steaks on. We'll get right back to the video as soon as I come back out here to cook. Anyway, my friends, I appreciate my viewers sticking with me during this hiatus of not making very many vlogs. Made quite a few shorts here lately. I'm not real happy with them Japanese beetles that done destroyed my knockout rose plants. Done a pretty good amount of damage to my zinnias and sunflowers. But anyway, things are cruising right along with OP Pwalpar. We're making progress. Supposed to be some rain later today. I feel for all the people with the tornado damage that's been going on around Mississippi and down around Texas and places like that. I just hope the tornadoes ain't coming this way too. I've had my share of tornadoes in my lifetime. Don't wish to have any more. Anyway, we're going to have us a nice little steak dinner. The grill's on 550, probably almost 600. Ain't gonna be long. I would flip them booger bears over. She likes hers medium rare, and mine, I don't like it too rare, but I don't like it well done either. Let's give her a flip. Let's see, this one went first. Oh, that's looking nice. Yes, sir, Bob. I could almost taste it just looking at it. That's going to be a good steak. This is Pwalpar, wishing everybody well. The weekend's coming. Hope you had a nice Juneteenth. Don't see my hummingbird right now, but I'm sure he's floating around here somewhere. Got some nice looking tomatoes out there on my tomato vine. We'll catch y'all later. It's Pwalpar, wishing everybody well.